market square. Magic's floating in the air. Open books and off we go to lands that only dreamers know.
Bird's happy flight. A little bird flies. It has red wings. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. The bird sees a tree. It lands on a branch. The branch is green. The bird sings a song. Tweet, tweet, it says. A big wind blows. The bird holds tight. It sees a nest. The nest is small. The bird hops to it. The nest is cozy. The bird sits down. It looks at the sky. Clouds float by. The bird is happy. It sings again. Tweet, tweet, it calls. The sun goes down. The sky turns pink. The bird closes its eyes. It dreams of flying.